#Beelink Mini PC Script. Here's something most people don't realize. The average desktop computer sitting under someone's desk costs 3 times more than it should and takes up way more space than necessary. If you're working from home, streaming content, or just need a solid computer that doesn't dominate your desk, a mini PC can honestly change how you set things up. I've been using the Beelink SER5 Max for about a month now, and I think it's worth talking about. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. So the first thing you notice is the size. This thing is literally smaller than a paperback book. The AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor is running inside, and it's handling everything I throw at it without any lag. I'm talking editing documents, having 20 browser tabs open, streaming video calls, and it just stays smooth. For most people doing office work or content consumption, this processor is way more than enough. The 24 GB of RAM is actually really thoughtful. That's not the bare minimum like you'd find on cheaper options. With 24 gigs, multitasking feels effortless. I can have my video editing software open alongside Spotify, Discord, and multiple browser windows without anything slowing down. It's been reliable for that kind of workflow. Storage is 500 GB on an NVMe SSD, which means things load quickly. That's reasonable space for most people, though if you're storing massive video files or game libraries, you might find yourself managing space a bit more carefully. But the speed is definitely there. Now here's where this gets interesting for me personally. The connectivity options are solid. You've got Wi-Fi 6, which is noticeably faster than older standards if you've got a good router. There's 2.5G Ethernet if you want a wired connection, and honestly, that's become pretty standard on decent mini PCs. But what really stood out is the display support. You can run 3 monitors simultaneously through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. For productivity work, that's genuinely useful. I tested it with 2 monitors and it handled 4K resolution without breaking a sweat. Let me be honest about the pros and cons. The big wins are definitely the performance you're getting for the price point, the compact size that lets you put this anywhere, and having enough RAM that you're not feeling limited. The multi-display support is legitimately handy if you're doing office work. On the cons side, that 500 GB storage can fill up if you're not managing it, and if you're a serious gamer or doing heavy video rendering constantly, you might eventually want more power, though this handles light gaming and standard creative work fine. This is a solid choice if you need a reliable computer that doesn't hog space or drain your budget. It's built for people who actually use their machines for work and daily tasks rather than extreme performance. If this sounds like what you need, the link's down below where you can check it out on Amazon and see what pricing looks like right now.